Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. My name is Muhammad Ramzan, and the expertise of mine are relevant to English discipline. In today's class, we are going to discuss a very practical strategy. We have already discussed about that one, but in this video, I give you some kinds of the special tactics and special strategy. And if you will implement these tactics and that I will mention in this video, you will find that a massive change will happen in your fluency, in your vocabulary, in your comprehension skills. All kinds of these things will going to boost it if you implement all kinds of the strategies that I will mention today's in this video. So let's take the start of the video. The strategy, the skill that I wanted to share with you is reading. Reading play a very vital role in our lives, and if we wanted to be a fluent and effective speakers, then reading play a very crucial role. And reading is directly proportional to our vocabulary, comprehension skills, and all kinds of these things. When, for example, when someone exposed himself or herself to a different variety of the text, he or she insights and he gain insights of different sentence structures, idiomatic expressions, and different styles, different writing styles. He also finds and realized and get knowledge about the different writing styles. Now I will give you 3 to 4 tactics, and these tactics are really helpful and will make your reading very efficient for yourself if you will implement these tactics in your reading habits. First, the factor that I wanted to share with you, it is select the appropriate reading material. Yes, if you wanted to be a fluent and gain vocabulary and be effective speaker, then you have to select the appropriate reading style. In the beginning, you have to select the material that is written in a easy wording, easy manners, that with the passage of time your passion will increase, and then you can move towards the challenging text. Yes, in the beginning you have to read, you have to select the material that is written in a simple words. Second thing that I wanted to share with you, set your goals, set your clear goals for practice English. For example, you might set a goals to read a certain pages or certain articles while reading. When you make this practice will keep you stay motivated and track your progress. And in this way, when you get a massive knowledge, and this practice will make you more fluent and effective communication. Your communication is also going to be a very effective. The third strategy that I wanted to share with you, it's also a really important, it is develop active reading skills. It's really important to engage with the written text, and when you engage with the written text you get knowledge, more knowledge from the text. And I will give you a few strategies that will be really helpful in developing your reading skill. The first one is skim the text. First one is the skim the text, and before diving into the detail, you have to skim the text and get the idea what it is about. And then you also needs to focus on the headings, subheadings, and bolded or highlighted words. Then move towards the second one, that is also really important, underline or highlight the words. Whenever you move whenever you read a massive content, whenever you have read a massive content, then the chances are there will be a lots of unfamiliar words. And then these unfamiliar words, what sort of the effect will create. These unfamiliar words, you have to underline or highlighted these words, and then you have to check it in the vocabulary, and then you have to use these words in your conversations and all kinds of these things. And the third one is that take the notes. Take the notes jot down the ideas or interesting ideas whenever you came across the readings. This strategy not only help to increase your fluency vocabulary, it will also increase your creativity and thinking ability. Last one that is also really important, it's about summarize. Whenever your reading is finished and you have to summarize the whole reading text in their own words, and this process will help you to express yourself in your own ways, and it can create some kinds of the special recognition of yourself. That is also really important. And last but not least, to develop to making a reading better, it's also reading aloud. Reading aloud play a very vital role because it also create a massive effect on our minds, because when we read a text in a loud manners, it will chances are that there the words will stay for a long times in our minds. And the second thing, and the pronunciation, most of the people's facing a massive problems while speaking English, and when you read aloud, then this obstacle will also be overcome with the passage of time. So these are the main tactics if you implement, and then vocabulary comprehension skills and all kinds of things will also achieved, and your mental and your creative ability will also be boosted with the passage of time if you implement these practical strategies. Thank you for watching and stay tuned. Inshallah, we will meet in another effective and a very practical video. Stay tuned, inshallah. Thank you so much.